In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add audio file to Teachable course. We'll start inside your Teachable school. Log in to your admin dashboard so you're on the main backend view. From here, open the Courses area, choose the specific course you'd like to update, and head into the Curriculum tab. This is where all your course lessons live, so it's the perfect place to organize and add new materials. If you already know exactly which lesson should contain your audio, select it now. If not, you can create a new lesson to keep things tidy, especially if the audio stands alone as a lecture, meditation, or bonus resource. With your lesson open in the editor, look for the option to add new content. Click Add Content to bring up Teachable's list of content types. Choose the audio block. This is designed for streamlined playback across devices, and it gives your students a familiar player with simple controls. A pop-up will appear prompting you to upload your file. Drag and drop your audio, like an MP3, into the upload area, or click to browse your computer and select it. While MP3 is a reliable choice for smooth playback and smaller file sizes, make sure your file name is clear and recognizable so you can manage it easily later. If your upload is large, give it a moment to process. You'll see progress indicators while it completes, and it will be available to the lesson once processing finishes. After your audio is uploaded, you'll see a setting that allows you to make the file downloadable. If you want students to have offline access, toggle on the Show Download Link option. If you prefer to keep the content streaming only, simply leave it off. Think about your course model here. Downloads are great for portability, but streaming only can help keep content centralized. Before moving on, double-check the lesson title and any supporting text so students know what to expect. Clear descriptions help learners understand how the audio fits into your curriculum and when to use it. Now, click Save on the lesson to make sure your changes are stored. Saving updates the lesson in your admin view. If the lesson isn't published yet, publish it so students can access it in the course. Publishing makes the audio visible to enrolled students following your course's access settings. That's it. You've added an audio file to your Teachable course, configured download options if needed, and saved your changes. With this setup, your learners can easily listen on desktop or mobile, and you maintain control over how they access the file.